most of the viewers of my first video about stock investment and shares asked me a lot of questions, and I have replied that make another video, which is the video. This video will help most of the beginners and also most of the who are in the investment process and how to go about this. Okay, this video will gonna take along, but the content of the video is very important because you will learn a lot how to invest within Papua New Guinea, or from Papua New Guinea you can invest outside also. So this video will going to explain you step by step of how to go about investment in stocks in PNG. I encourage each of you to watch to the end of the video because I don't want you to miss any step that is very important. I'm going to make points in this video. Anyways, before we go on, help me subscribe and like the video, please. Okay, first of all, in this stocks investments, you need to have a company account. Very importantly, you need to have a company account at your own personal account, which is this video will gonna help you. You can watch this video how to open a company account. So in every investment, you will have a broker that will open your account, and then the broker will help you to invest in buying or selling stocks. You must know that buying stocks in PNG is in a very small scale. Same philosophy and the same rules in the world today. Investment comes with some forms of advice or financial literacy or investment literacy. So you need to have some literacy before you invest. So this video will go through some little bit of brief step by step on how to get started with the beginners, or if you are a first timer to invest. But I see that this investment is very, very interesting and it's a long-term benefit. So step number one, you have to go and register your business name under IPA and get your TIN certificate at IRC and do up your company profile, and together with your TIN certificate and the company certificate, you can go and open your company account in any BSB or Kina bank or any bank that you wish to have your company account. Okay, after your company account, before your investment has to come towards a broker. So there are two types of broker in PNG that you will go and register yourself. You will register your company under the brokers, okay, and then the brokers, they will create your profile or your account with PNGX for trading. So the first broker is Kina Wealth Management, that's with Kina Bank, and the other one is called JMP Securities, and those are the two stock brokers in PNG that you can go through. These two stock brokers will give you the list of the companies and the list of the stocks and the price of the stocks and also the percentage of return, which we call dividend. So you can reach these brokers through their website. You can go through their website, you register yourself, and then you can send them an email. I mean, the automatic email will send to you, and they will answer you for further information, and they will advise you to fill the forms, and they will call you, or else they will ask you to come over for the personal investment. And after the opening, they will ask you are going to do a sale or buy shares, or even you can do international stocks also. After the registration with the brokers, you will given terms of companies that you will going to buy your shares. So in PNG we have list of companies. I will make another video specifically to value the companies before you buy stocks. It's the topic of its own, how to evaluate company before you buy shares. So example like BSP, some minings like Newcrest, Lear, and this is the list. You can choose which company that you want to invest. But the other video I will explain you how to evaluate the company in PNG before you invest. After the company evaluation, you will be given stock prices, and the minimum stock prices for the business you will buy with 2,000. Sometimes stocks they change in prices, I mean monthly basis, so you will be given monthly basis stock prices. So you will choose which stocks that you want to buy. So say for example, if you want to buy shares at the price of 275 toya, and that's monthly price. So you want to buy 1,000 shares, that's like 1,000 times 275 toya, that's about 2,750 Kina. And also the brokers will charge you fees like 200 Kina depending on each of the brokers. So the total will be like 2,750 plus 200 Kina, it's like 2,940 Kina. So if you invest 1/3 of the overall amount, then you are entitled for the 1/3 of the shares of the every increase over the time. If the company is doing great paid and increase is like 50% dividend, then your shares will be 1/3 of the 50% of your shares. So say for example, like last year BSB Bank paid 75% to all the shareholder at the rate of 14% individual. So that's like a lot of money. So and there's also a new plan coming up. It's like DRP, dividend reinvestment plan, which is come up with the Kina Bank. The dividend is paid in shares. So and you can use the shares to invest again. So that's a new thing just came up. So all this process comes under PNG registry. So you will do all the paper documents and then you will send them back if you're using email for investment. It is risky at the first place because it's depending on how much you have to invest. The investment term, they say you don't put all your eggs in one basket. You don't buy only one portfolio. You have to spread your shares from one company to another, and then when you lose one and you have another to gain. And there's one called ETF, which is we don't have in PNG option right now, because that's you buy one shares with one portfolio with multiple shares. So that we don't have in Papua New Guinea, but otherwise you can buy multiple shares in different companies for the start. From there, let's move on to PNGX. Let's see how PNGX can respond to the shares and stock buying or selling in PNG. I will post a new video regarding this. Follow for the next video. Peace.